Good morning, I'm Mark Rogers with Rogers Auto Detailing Studio. We're out here with this 2025 F-150 SXT. As you can see, it's wearing a good bit of road film and winter grime. Before we touch anything, I want to walk you through the ultimate wash.
We're giving this 2025 F-150 an ultimate exterior wash. First step is a thick foam-free soak. That blanket of soap loosens dirt and sand before we ever touch the paint, helping prevent scratches. Wheels and tires.
With a good foam blanket, let it loosen everything up. When it's time to rinse, work top to bottom with a steady fan pattern and keep that nozzle a foot off the paint so you don't drive dirt back into it. Wheels and tires get their own brush.
I like to start with a hand wash on the body panels, working in straight lines to keep that finish safe. After the foam has had a few minutes to loosen grime, we give it a thorough rinse. Wheels and tires get their own dedicated cleaners and brushes to pull.
Exterior is all wrapped up on this 2025 F-150 STX. Paint's polished, sealed, tires are dressed, and every surface is looking its best. Next, we move inside for a full interior detail. Stay tuned, this one's going to look just as good inside.
This is a 2025 F-150 SXT with the Ultimate Package, and today it's getting our full interior detail. We'll start with a thorough vacuum from head to toe. Door panels like this get cleaned.
Starting with a complete vacuum, we pulled every last crumb out of the mats and carpet. Next, I treat the door panels. Safe cleaner, soft microfiber, and attention to every control. With the surfaces prepped, it's time to nourish the leather. A quality conditioner work. Starting in the back of this 2025 F-150 SXT, I vacuum the all-weather mats and underneath the seat tracks to pull out every crumb. Next, I wipe down the door jambs, getting into the seams around the latch so they shine like new. A soft
Here's the finished look on this 2025 F-150 SXT with the Ultimate Package. The paint has been decontaminated with a clay bar topped with a ceramic sealant, and that gloss speaks